Hey folks, welcome back to Bama Performance and Vintage Chainsaws. You're back with your host Nick Forster, and just running a few saws today. Ain't ran some in a while. We ain't crunked this one up since I think the last video y'all seen it had, or well, it was before we got it to seal up completely. Ain't started it since, so let's just see how it does. I mean, y'all know we completely rebuilt this. This is the Husqvarna 1100 CD. So let's see what she'll do. I'll put it on high idle. That kill wires up. Let's see what she'll do. Got set to 1 and 1, I believe. Too much right there. Let's kick it back up just a touch. Should pop back off. Yeah. Maybe run out of fuel. Still have a little bit of air leak. Seen that? But we might be getting pretty close to out of fuel. Oh yeah, she looks like she's about empty. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Yep, she's about empty. Ain't got much left in her. I'll give her one more try. I'll call it a day. But it's a good time. She can run that at least. Yeah, we just got her a little too rich coming down. goes. So she run pretty good. We'll check that this seal, see how that's looking. But other than that, she seems to be idling fairly decent. Still vibrates like a son of a gun. That's brand new mouse, everything else. I think it's just the timing on these, way it hits. And just it's just rough on these 1100s, I reckon. I've run a 2100 before, and it's nowhere near as rough as this sucker. So I think it's just beast of this ignition on this saw or something. It'll give a white knuckle pretty quick. That's that idle. Once you get it going, it's pretty smooth. But that idle, it'll beat you up. And I mean, we got brand new crank bearings, wrist pin bearing, brand new crank, new piston, new cylinder. It's brand new, so shouldn't be any reason for that, but it is what it is. So hope y'all enjoyed watching. I enjoyed getting to run this all day and sharing it with you. Hopefully I can put it in some wood maybe this upcoming week. And if you like what you saw, please hit that like button. Want to see more, hit that subscribe button, and we will catch y'all on the next one. Hope y'all have a blessed day and knows Jesus loves you. And yeah, we will see y'all next time. Thanks, y'all. Bye.